Yeah, so this is the product that I've been selling. Let me show you right now. You see this? I made $30,000 in revenue with this little piece of plastic. You're probably wondering, what is this product and how can this product make $30,000? Well, what this product does is it actually protects sneakers from getting creased. Let me demonstrate right now quickly. So basically, let's say you have these Panda Dunks and you don't want them to get creased. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab them, you're gonna put the guard in them, just like this. And then not only does it eliminate creases, but it also prevents creasing from happening when we're creasing, right? So this product is super, super unique. In this video, I'm going to go over 3 different things: how I found this product, how I went viral with this product on TikTok, and lastly, how I converted that virality into sales. So I want to go over how I found this winning product and why this product works so good. So basically, the way I look for winning products is through literally TikTok. All I do is scroll, scroll, scroll on the For You page. Anytime I see a dropshipping product, I engage with the product. When I engage with the video, TikTok sees me as an engaged buyer, and then I get more dropshipping products on my For You page. The reason why I knew this product worked, it's literally the sneaker market. The sneaker market is crazy. There's so many people that, want to have nice sneakers. They don't want to get their sneakers creased. It's a huge trend. Not only that, but the product costs are super low for this product. It literally costs $1 or $2 to get the product. That means there's a good opportunity to give a good offer and have good profit margin. Product actually solves a problem. It removes creasing and it helps prevent creasing. Just like how I showed you earlier with the guard, there's no creasing at all. Then if I take out the guard, right, just take this out, there's so much more creasing, right? Before I start advertising, I have to understand who my market audience is, who's using TikTok, what kind of sneakerheads are on TikTok. So you can see if I go to the crease guard page, you can see we have 93,000 followers. Actually, we were at 100K, but I guess we lost followers. But you can see here, right? 5.7 million, 1.8 million, 4 million, 2 million, 2 million, 1 million, right? This product is clearly going crazy viral. And when it comes to making these videos, it's trends, following trends, understanding what types of trends are working right now. So my favorite strategies, look at TikTok pages that are performing really good. So as you can see here, many of these things were trends. One of my favorite ones that I used was this one right here. It goes, I charged $3,000 for these, right? So basically a lot of small businesses were using this and they're going super viral. I noticed this and instantly started producing these types of videos. And as you can see, right? This is the hook that grabs the viewer's attention, right? Now I'm showing before, right? From this to this. So right there, I'm already showing why the customer should buy this because it changes your sneakers from crease to not crease. There's many other ones. One of my favorite ones was the customer meet conversation, right? Back and forth customer to the owner of the business. This was performing super, super good. And that's why you can see if you go through the page, you can see many of the videos are this customer meet conversation and they're getting hundreds of thousands of views. Look at this, 600,000 views, right? Right? So this was doing crazy, crazy results. And still to this day, I'm still using this trend constantly and it performs super good. That's why it's important. Once you find a trend, keep testing that out with different variation. Because this performs so good, what you can do now, do a new video with the same plot, but a new video in the background. Then you can do another one with the same plot, same video, different sound. Then another one with the same video with a different plot. So you test out 3 different things from the winning TikTok video. So you can see what is working really good. I've done this many times, and then sometimes I'll come to the conclusion that the plot works really good. And then what I'll do is I'll just keep using the same with a different background video and a different sound. And then it just performs really, really good. So that's how you want to do it, right? Once you find a trend that works really good or a copy that works good, just keep reproducing that copy. So when it comes to actually going viral, there's 3 things you really want to focus on. 3 pillars of virality. So what I mean by that is you have to go through all of these in order to go viral on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. So basically, I'm going to show you exactly how these 3 pillars work and what they are. So I'm going to show you an exact video to replicate those 3 pillars. The first one is the hook. The hook is what grabs the viewer's attention and gets them to watch your video. The second one is engagement. What I mean by engagement is giving the viewer something to comment about. They're upset about something in your video that you said. They don't like something that you said. Maybe they don't believe what you said, right? Give them something to comment about. This creates engagement in your comment section. And the last one is viewer watch time. You want to increase your viewer watch time as much as possible. And the way I like to do this is through customer conversations. Back and forth, keep the customer in the video. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. You can see this video right here that I showed you earlier is that I charged $3,000 for this. So as you can see here, I charged $3,000 for these. That's the hook. That's what grabs the viewer's attention, right? So I charged $3,000 for these and they see it's a piece of plastic, like, right? Then the next thing is engagement. So give them something to comment about. I charged $3,000 for a piece of plastic. People are gonna be like, no way, that's lie. There's no way that's $3,000. right? So as you can see in the comments, that's what people are literally commenting, right? They were joking, it's $8.95. 3,000, I would just buy new ones. Bro, I got mine for $10, right? People are commenting. This is creating engagement. This is creating controversy. That's literally what you want. And the last thing is keeping viewers watching the video, right? So increasing viewer watch time. So as you can see here, it says I charge $3,000 for these. They want to see what it is. Why does this cost $3,000? So they're going to watch throughout the entire video to see what the product is, how this piece of plastic is $3,000. And not only that, but at the same time, I'm literally selling the customer before and after of how the product works. This is literally a key reason why this product works so good. You can see 2.3 million views on that video. It performs so good because I hit all those three pillars. TikTok understands those three pillars. If you hit all those three pillars, your video will go viral, guaranteed. So the last thing I want to go over is how I converted that virality into sales, right? A lot of people struggle with that, actually turning that virality into sales. And the way you want to do that is by using two things, an offer and a call to action. So what I mean by that is your offer has to be compelling. It has to get people to want to buy your product. And you have to let them know that this offer is available. So what I like to do is always have a great offer. So it can be something like free plus shipping. It can be something like buy one, get one free. For this product in particular, at one point I had a really low price, and then I was also doing free plus shipping. So both of those offers performed really good because I understood my audience and I understood if I gave this offer, people are going to purchase the product. Now, once you have your good offer, the most important thing is your call to action. You want to literally give a call to action anytime you post, comment after you post. Buy one, get one free ends tonight. Link in bio. That's a call to action. Post on your story, your offer. You literally want it everywhere. You want it in your bio. You can see here we have tap to shop and then a way for them to purchase. And you can see right here in this playlist guide, guards link in bio, right? Then after we post, we also put our offer, buy one, get one free or free plus shipping, link in bio, right? Although we don't want to make it seem like we're really trying to sell the customer. So this is how I was able to turn my virality into sales. Another little bonus is what you want to do is you want to go live. Whenever you go viral, let's say you can see here I got 6 million views on a video, you literally want to go live. Showcase the product, showcase why it's so great, and give out your offer on that and talk about your offer on that live and how the customer can buy that product. And if you want to increase your sales, you have to literally do this. I hope you did get a lot of value and I showed you exactly how I generate 100,000 followers on TikTok with this product, generating $30,000 in revenue with. That's exactly how I was able to generate $30,000 in revenue and 100,000 followers on TikTok with this product. Yes, it is a piece of plastic, solves a problem, and it's also in a good niche that people are buying products in. So hopefully you did. So if you want to learn more on how you can start with organic dropshipping, join my Discord. It's literally free. I have a free training in there that you can get right now to learn exactly how to start organic dropshipping today. Hopefully you did enjoy that video. We'll see you in the next one.